Hey guys, this is Promila and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you all how to make a mask very easy way. At first I was taken 5 by 5 inch cloth. Then I folded the cloth twice from the middle. Iron it properly. Then I was taking the measurement the middle portion of cloth. In the same way, I was marked both sides equally. The marked places need to be added in a round shape. Then you have to measure 1 inch again from the bottom. After that, cut the fabric. Again take a 1 inch the middle of the cloth and the upper point should be joined with the lower point. Then you have to sew these two lines leaving half inch. After sewing, the whole fabric has to be inverted. Then cut the two white cords by 5 inch. And you have to sew it through there.